Hey guys, back to show you how to make a dot plot. Okay, so we already learned about frequency tables. Now we're learning about dot plots. Dot plot is my most fun one because I think it's the easiest. So I think you'll like it too. So today, again, we have number of students on the left-hand side here. And this time we're not gonna make a bar graph. We're going to use a line graph. So the dot plot uses a line graph. And a line graph is pretty easy because you just basically draw a number line and then you draw the numbers that you need down below. So I have my line graph already made out. I made this category up, and again, it's late homework assignments. So this is just a made up category. This is not actual data. I just made this up. So late homework assignments. So if I was tracking the late homework assignments, I could look on my data and I could say, how many people had 0 homework assignments out? So I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to come over here, and instead of making a bar graph, I'm just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 students have late or have 0 late homework assignments. All right, how many people have 1 late homework assignment? Well, I have 1, 2. So I'm going to go and make 1 and 2 dots. Okay, so this tells me 2 students have 1 late homework assignment. Now I'm going to go to 2. Let's see how many I have. None in that row. I have 1, 2. So I have 2 also. So again, just 2 dots. 2 students have 2 late homework assignments. How about 3? Well, I have 1, 2. 2 students again have 3 late homework assignments. 4. No, nothing under 4, so I just leave that blank. 5 is my last one. Now I think I used them all. So just 1 person has 5 late homework assignments. Okay, so now I can tell in my data, instead of just being a cluster of numbers here, I can organize my data. So now I can easily see that 5 out of my 12 students, 5/12 of my students have their homework turned in on time. Okay, so because 5 don't have any late assignments. The other 7 have late assignments. And you can ask different questions about it. You can say, which number of students have this, the same number of students, or how many the late homework assignments have the same number of students, and you would say 1, 2, and 3 all have 2 students. Okay, so and you can do a lot of different questions. You can say how many people were in the class. How would you find out how many students were in the class? Well, yeah, you could just count up the total number of dots here. And you would say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 12 students in Mr. Poole's class then. Okay, so there's a lot of different questions you can ask about it. But that's how you make a dot plot. It's simply making a line graph, and then filling in the numbers based on your data. And again, it's a way to organize the data. It just makes that data easier to organize. Hope this helps you out, guys, and I hope you have fun making your dot plots. All right, bye, guys.